Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you what to expect when your IC2 by Nightingale arrives. Are you looking for a new office chair? BTOD TV is your source for everything office. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Before we get into the unboxing and assembly, this is how your chair will arrive if you ordered from an authorized dealer. Now, if you do choose to order from a third party such as Amazon or eBay, your chair may arrive in a different box or come unassembled. Now, the box is quite large and weighs over 50 pounds, so you may need help lifting it or moving it to wherever you need in your workspace. Let's get into the unboxing. So this is how the IC2 arrives without the headrest. Now, if you did choose the headrest option, I will show you how to assemble the headrest. I'm going to be using a square bit, but you can also use a Phillips screwdriver. It does only require 2 screws. So that's what you can expect when you unbox and assemble your new Nightingale IC2 chair. Thanks for watching.